How to fix restricted mode has hidden comments for this video on YouTube. First, you want to go to youtube.com and then you want to click on your YouTube channel profile right here on the top right. And then from here you can find the restricted mode where you can click on it and turn it on or off, which generally helps hide potentially mature videos and filter them out. You can toggle it on or off from here. And if it's on, you might not be able to see comments on certain videos. And to simply unlock the comment section or to see the comments, you want to make sure it's turned off like this. And this will refresh the page automatically. And if it doesn't, you can refresh it by clicking this button here. And then you can go back to your video. And this should unlock the comment section, and you shouldn't be able to see the restricted mode as hidden comments anymore. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.